Hi darlings and fireflies, welcome to my channel Main Places. I'm Paulina, and guess what? It is dark, it is freezing, which means it's a time for LUX Helsinki, an annual light festival that happens every year in the beginning of January, right after Christmas celebrations are over, the New Year celebrations are over, and you're like, damn it, how am I supposed to survive until summer when things are not boring again? And then tada, LUX Helsinki. So here I am in the center of Helsinki to see what LUX has to offer this year. So get ready for red cheeks and running noses and light installations. And hair in mouth.
The first thing I saw was this egg, which portrayed human mind. It is a rather minimalist setting, and I guess the idea is that it leaves space for imagination. In fact, this idea was sparked by kids from a village in Benin, whose vast imagination inspired artists. This was interesting. As night falls, the secret party is revealed. I found two films in a same concept, but it is a larger project that will continue next year. This one is peculiar because it definitely represents a Nordic theme, even though it is done by an artist who was born in Amsterdam. The wood here means life, warmth of fire and shelter. But we also need living trees for oxygen and environment. So this is about the conflicting needs that are so prominent in Nordic cultures. Notice that the log is cut into 5 parts. Can you guess why and what does it mean? This here is a composition made of ice, but if you stay closer and listen carefully, you notice that even in a frozen feature, movement and sound exist. This large projection here is a wake-up call on dying coral reefs. It reminds us that a tragedy that seems so distant will have huge impact on Finland as well. I looked up description on this one and it came with text. And some of us are dancing till the end, without worries of the world like tomorrow never comes. While all we stand on is silently crumbling down, time cannot be stopped. This here was the most fascinating thing this year. It is called Chapters and is made by Max Lapinsuo and is lighting up the facade of the old technical university building. And here on the same square I found two discs covered in 5,000 colored mirror pieces, reflecting light. One side represents sun and another one represents night. This here is a reflective work where shadow from spoons become a peaceful message. May every child be fed. This one speaks for itself. Here one could see a light installation done by Chaki, and it has three parts: a momentum of knot, showing the Mizuhiki knot, a Japanese symbol of connection, wordless momentum combining text and drawings without fixed meaning, and momentum of love, showing Japanese 12th century poems. Welcome to Path of Peace, where about 60 different handmade light sculptures made by students from University of Arts are hanging. Look closer, walk with me under. Do you find a reference to peace in shapes, structures, or maybe combinations or something else? Vanha kirkkopuisto was also lit up. The light on the ground represents the root structure that is usually hidden out from sight underground, infused with hundreds of color-changing mushrooms, reminding us that they restore forests, clean up pollution, and produce food and medicine. This was it. I really saw just a part of installations this year because it was really freezing. Which one did you like best?
I just checked few descriptions of the installations, and two of them were like, this was made for you to slow down, to take a moment, to take a break from the busy city. And I'm thinking like, yeah, great idea, folks, but it's minus 18. Minus 18. And my phone says it feels like minus 26. And I believe my phone because it's a smartphone. So a very brief walk today. But thanks for following. See you somewhere else. Bye.